another video, and today we are going to see how to make mind maps and why are they important and what are actually mind maps and much more. And if you are here for the first time, hello, myself Gatha. And if you are interested in watching videos related to study, productivity or lifestyle, consider clicking the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update from this channel. And now, without making this intro super long, let's get into the video. Let's go! Mind maps are visual representation of information. Let's take an example. After watching a movie, if you recall, you remember all things. But when you read a newspaper or a textbook, you don't remember that much. This happens because our brain captures visual information more quickly and remembers it in a long run. You can make mind maps digitally or on pen and paper, but that is totally up to you. I prefer making them on my computer. And also, the method is same for both hand-drawn and digital mind maps. The app I'm using here is called Miro. The link will be in the description in case you want to check that out. Write the main topic in the middle. I have placed a cloud around it so it will stand out from others. You can use different colors, highlight the title so it will stand out. Rule here is that when you are using colors, don't use more than 3. It will look neat and easy to remember. You can either color the text or the shape. Now write subtopics and use different color this time. Keep it short and meaningful. When you are done, link the main topic with the subtopic. And finally, write keywords around the subtopic, like important dates, definitions, but when writing definitions, keep them short but still meaningful. Now that I have told you the main structure of how to make a mind map, let's make one now. First, you should read the topic or the chapter. I have read the whole chapter, and yes, we are going to fit the whole chapter in a one mind map. The name of the chapter is Health and Diseases. We are going to write that in the middle. And now it's time to write subtopic. When choosing what to write, think which is important and short it by writing the whole sentence in 2 or 3 words. And these will be your keywords. And in case you don't know what are keywords, that is that. You should not copy and paste as it is. Instead, you should read it, then understand it and write that in your own words. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. So again, I have wrote here the subtopic and then the main keywords about it, as you can see here. Also, you see the blank space there? There you can write the additional information or things you want to know and your questions, or maybe later with the time you get some new information, you can write that there. As you can see, all important things are now in the mind map, and now I'm going to select all of this and change their color, rearrange that and make it little pretty, aesthetic and neat. My tip here is to first, when you're writing all information, don't waste your time in just making that pretty and aesthetic. First, write all the important information and then arrange that and make it aesthetic or however you want that to be. After everything is done, it's time to export our mind map. I'm going to export it as a JPG file, and there you have it, a mind map. So this was it for today's video, and I hope you found something helpful. And also remember, everyone's mind map is different and unique. It shouldn't be just like mine. I have told you how the structure should be or how should you write, but you should add your own creativity to it. And also feel free to comment down any other video suggestions. I would love to see your feedback and new video suggestions. And this was it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling. Have a nice day. Bye bye.